Welcome to Camp Easy RV's YouTube channel, where we make it easy to RV.
Using the 2026 Forest River Salem Hemisphere 26ICE, where modern design meets everyday adventure. On the exterior, you'll find sleek fiberglass sidewalls, a power awning with LED lighting, pass-through storage for all your gear, and an outdoor mini fridge, perfect for keeping drinks cold while you relax outside. Step inside to a spacious living area with beautiful open layout. The kitchen is built for convenience, featuring a residential-style refrigerator, 3-burner cooktop, microwave, and plenty of counter space for preparing meals on the go. Up front, the private king bedroom includes overhead storage and dual wardrobes, giving you plenty of room to stretch out and unwind. The rear bathroom offers a full-size shower, foot-flush toilet, vanity, and extra storage for towels and toiletries. Whether it's weekend getaways or long road trips, the Salem Hemisphere 26ICE delivers style, space, and comfort.
Don't forget to download our app so you can browse inventory, schedule visits, and keep up with the latest arrivals anytime, right from your phone. We also offer extended care for life. So be sure to check out our website or contact us for more details on how that can help protect your RV investment for the long haul.